Checking for spelling errors. Using the spelling function of Read and Write Gold, it is possible to analyze completed work for errors or have spelling mistakes identified as soon as they are typed. Let's start by analyzing spelling errors in a document. For this example, I have a document with a number of errors. To check for spelling mistakes, I click on the spelling icon. The Spelling Helper panel appears. The first spelling mistake is identified in red, and a list of possible solutions is suggested. At this point, many spell checkers do not provide assistance in choosing words from the suggested list. However, with Read and Write Gold, any of these suggested corrections can be spoken by clicking on them. And then the Play button.
Mistake.
Also, I can reassure myself that I'm selecting the correct word by viewing the dictionary description of the word with a sample sentence. This can be read out by clicking on the description and then the play.
Part of a statement that is not correct. The book was full of errors.
Once I am sure that this is the correct word, I click Change. I have made this mistake a number of times in my document, so I click on the Change All button. It will then replace the spelling mistake with the correct word throughout the document. I can also add the spelling mistake to the autocorrect. From then on, if I make the error, it will be automatically corrected. There is also the option to ignore the spelling mistake if I don't want to change it. It is simply a case of working my way through the document, selecting the corrections as I go. At this point, Grania is showing as a spelling mistake because it is a name that does not appear in the dictionary. However, it is correct, so I'm going to add it to the custom dictionary by clicking on the Add button.
Spell check completed.
Adapting the spell checking. If you wish the spell checker to identify spelling mistakes as soon as they are made, switch on the Spell as I Type option, which is found in the Spell Check drop-down menu. In the spelling options, you can view and add words to the custom dictionary. You can see Grania has been added here. The Settings panel is where you can choose what words you would like the spell checker to analyze. In the Advanced options, you can view and add automatic corrections. You can see the word appeared here. The History panel shows recent errors that have been made and what suggestions were provided. Here, you can change and add to the phonetic map, which will alter what suggestions are created. Look at the spelling log. This records all the mistakes made, the correction picked, the error type, and the date it was made.